Hello everyone. So all of you are aware that the complete world is suffering from the great pandemic disease COVID-19. Due to that, in our country, mostly educations are completely shut down, completely closed. Here, I teach you the biology subject. My name is Hemant Verma. So students, we will start the class 12th syllabus of biology NCERT, and we will start from the first chapter of bio. And what is the name of the chapter? That is reproduction in organism. So let's begin. So student, the subject, that is biology, we will start. The class is 12th, and the first chapter that we will start, what is the name of the chapter? Chapter number 1, reproduction in organism. What is the name of the chapter? Reproduction in organism. So students, that is the name of the chapter. Now first of all, we will start the first topic, that is introduction. Introduction means what we have to study in this chapter. What is the meaning of reproduction? So let's see. So the first topic that we will start, it is introduction. So first question in your mind, sir, what is the meaning of reproduction process? Have you heard reproduction process in smaller classes, in class 10th, in class 11th, in 9th class? So बच्चों, in nature there are presence of lots of living organism. We have seen that plants, animals, bacteria, human, virus. In nature, all these living organisms having capability to reproduce the organism like itself. The best example is that in nature, plants produce plants, animal produce animals, human produce human. It means reproduction is a biological process in which living organism produce organism like itself. So let's see. So what is the meaning of reproduction? A process in which living organism produce what? Produce offspring. Produce offspring or next generation. Offspring or next generation. Or in another simple word, living organism produce organism like itself. So बच्चों, that is only the definition of reproduction. A biological process in which in nature all living organism produce the organism like itself. अपने ही जैसे organisms को बनाते हैं. Plants produce plant, animal produce animal, human produce human. A complete biological process in which living organism produce their offspring. What is the meaning of offspring? Offspring mean next generation, अगली पीढ़ी. Son, daughter, the next generation, it is known as what? Offspring. So बच्चों, what is the complete definition? A process in which living organism produce their offspring or next generation. This complete process, it is known as what? Reproduction process. So बच्चों, we have completed only the definition of reproduction. Now the next point, कि sir, what is the importance of reproduction in nature? Nature में reproduction process की importance क्या है? So let's see. So after the definition, students, we will start the importance of reproduction. Our new topic, that is Importance of reproduction process. And what is the importance? Reproduction process, very very important, helps in continuity of life. In another word, it helps in production of next generation. This point is very very important regarding to board of examination. So बच्चों, after the definition, in your mind a question appear कि sir, what is the importance, what is the benefit of reproduction process? Now let's think, if reproduction process is absent in nature, यदि reproduction nature में नहीं हो तो क्या हो सकता है? When reproduction process stop, it means there is no production of next generation, there is no production of new plant, new animals, new species, new human species, कोई भी नई species नहीं बनेगी. In another word, we can say that the reproduction process is very very essential. ये काफी जरूरी है. Essential for what? For the life, for continuity of life. The life continue from parents to the children, then children become parents, new children are produced. So we can say that the life is transferred from one generation to next generation. एक पीढ़ी से दूसरी पीढ़ी में लाइफ बनती है, and that continuity of life, it involve which process? Reproduction process. So बच्चों, we have completed the importance of reproduction that helps in continuity of life, the production of next generation, the production of new species. Reproduction की वजह से अर्थ पे क्या बनती है? Tell me. The production of new species, नई जाति बनती है. So बच्चों, in this chapter we have started the first chapter, reproduction. We have completed the definition of reproduction. Then we have started what is the importance of reproduction. Now बच्चों, after the importance, the next topic, the next question in your mind कि sir, how many types of reproduction process are present in nature? Reproduction के कितने types होते हैं? So let's see the new topic. So students, we will start the new topic, that is types of reproduction. So let's see. So student, in smaller classes you have studied that reproduction process is divided into how many category? 2 category. You have heard these names in smaller classes: asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. So let's see. So बच्चों, reproduction process divided into 2 category. Number 1, asexual reproduction, and second is number 2, that is sexual reproduction. So बच्चों, after the definition, after the importance, the new topic in front of you, that is types of reproduction. It is divided into 2 main category. Number 1, asexual reproduction, and number 2, sexual reproduction. Now question is that what is the meaning of these 2 type of reproduction, where it is present, what is the complete process, and we will study one by one. And बच्चों, first of all we will study the number one category, that is asexual reproduction. So let's begin. What is the meaning of asexual reproduction? Biology is very easy subject. Catch the word and make the definition. शब्द को पकड़ो और परिभाषा बनाओ. So let's see. Asexual, the word a, it means absent. The word sexual, the sexual word represents sex. In nature, two type of sex are present, that is, one is male sex and second is female sex. So what is the meaning of that? What is the definition? It means asexual reproduction is a process in which sex are absent. It means no male, no female. What is the meaning of that? It means in asexual reproduction, how many parent is involved? आपने छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़ा होगा. How many parents are involved? Single parent is involved. So बच्चों, the first reproduction, asexual reproduction. Catch the word. The word a, it represent absent. The word sexual, it represents sex. And in nature, two type of sexes are present, the male sex and female sex. अब दोनों को जोड़ दो. What is the definition? A type of reproduction in which both these sexes are absent. It means male and female do not contribute in asexual reproduction. What is the meaning of that? A type of reproduction in which how many parent is involved? Only single parent is involved. Single living organism produce their offspring और next generation. एक अकेला ऑर्गेनिज्म अपनी ऑफस्प्रिंग बना लेता है, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन बना लेता है. Such a reproduction, it is known as what? Asexual reproduction. So बच्चों, that is only the definition. A process in which single parent is involved, male and female sexes are absent, it is known as what? Asexual reproduction. और आगे मैं बताऊंगा आपको sexual reproduction, a reproduction in which how many parents are involved? Two parent. Sexual reproduction में one is male and second is female. So बच्चों, that is only the definition. Now we will more explain about asexual reproduction. So let's see. अभी कुछ और पढ़ेंगे asexual reproduction के बारे में. Some more things. So बच्चों, some points regarding to asexual reproduction. So let's see. Which points are important? The first point, I've told you recent that in asexual reproduction, single parent is involved. Okay. The second point, what is the second point? In asexual reproduction, there is no formation of gamete. Very very important point. Now what is the meaning of gamete? You have studied in smaller classes. Two type of gametes are produced in animals. Number one, sperm, that is male gamete, and the second is ovum, that is female gamete. And what are gametes? Gametes होते क्या हैं? Gametes are some specific cells कहाँ बनती है ये? दैट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द बॉडी ऑफ मेल एंड फीमेल। और ये सेल्स क्या करती है? दैट यूज्ड इन, कहाँ काम आते हैं गैमेट्स? दैट यूज्ड इन sexual reproduction, not asexual. So students, after the definition, some important point regarding to asexual reproduction. The first point, already I have told you, single parent is involved. Asexual reproduction में एक ही parent involve होता है, no male, no female. The second point, very very important, there is no formation of gamete in asexual reproduction. asexual reproduction में कोई भी गैमेट नहीं बनता है। अब बायोलॉजी में क्वेश्चन कि सर व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गैमेट? यू हैव स्टडीड इन स्मॉलर क्लासेस दैट गैमेट्स आर स्पेसिफिक सेल्स दैट प्रोड्यूस्ड इन द बॉडी ऑफ मेल, in the body of female. For example, in male body, male gamete are produced, and what is the name? Sperm. What is the pronunciation? Sperm. In the body of female, which gamete is produced? Female gamete. And what is the name? Ovum. So student, the gametes are specific cells, sperm and ovum, that produce in male and female body. और क्या करते हैं गैमेट? These gametes are used in, involved in what type of reproduction? Sexual reproduction. So बच्चों, we have studied two important points regarding to asexual reproduction. First is single parent is involved, and second is no formation of gamete. यहाँ कोई gamete नहीं बनता है, no sperm, no ovum. Now let's see, और भी काफी सारे point है. Let's begin. So students, we will start. So student, now we will start some more point regarding to asexual reproduction. So let's see. Some more point. Now, number third point regarding to asexual reproduction. Here, absence of meiosis cell division. You have studied about meiosis in class 11th. Meiosis. The meiosis cell division used in where? The gamete formation. Okay, it means in asexual reproduction only which cell division occur? Mitosis cell division. Okay, this is the third point. Now the fourth point, asexual reproduction mainly present in, किसमें present होता है? mainly present in small organism, mainly unicellular organism. Biology में question, what are unicellular? You have studied in smaller classes. The word uni, it means single. The word cellular, it means cell, जिनकी body में एक ही cell होती है. The best example, that is bacteria, that is yeast, that is amoeba, paramecium, euglena, etc. So बच्चों, now we will start the third point regarding to asexual reproduction. And which is the third point? In asexual reproduction, there is absence of which cell division? meiosis cell division. In class 11th, in class 10th, you have studied that in the body of living organism, two type of cell division are present. And which two type? Mitosis cell division and meiosis cell division. आपने छोटी क्लासेस में स्टडी किया होगा. Now meiosis cell division ये बॉडी में कब होता है? Meiosis cell division occur performed during the gamete formation. बॉडी में जब जब गैमेट बनते हैं, स्पर्म, ओवम, मेल गैमेट, फीमेल गैमेट, ड्यूरिंग गैमेट फॉर्मेशन विच सेल डिवीजन अकर? meiosis cell division. अब हल्का सा दिमाग लगाओ, which is the second point of asexual reproduction? I have told you in asexual reproduction there is absence of gamete. asexual reproduction में गैमेट नहीं बनते हैं, no sperm, no ovum. अब जब गैमेट ही नहीं बनेंगे, that's why in asexual reproduction there is absence of which cell division? कौन सा cell division asexual reproduction में नहीं होगा? meiosis. So बच्चों, we have completed the third point. So in asexual reproduction which cell division occur? Mitosis cell division. So बच्चों, we have completed the third point regarding to asexual reproduction. आपने स्टडी किया होगा, इन माइटोसिस सेल डिवीजन द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम रिमेन्स इक्वल. इन meiosis cell division the number of chromosome remains half. I have told you in class 11th we have studied the complete chapter, the cell division chapter. So बच्चों, we have completed the third point. Now the fourth point. Now question is that कि sir this asexual reproduction प्रेजेंट इन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनिज्म? कि नेचर में वो कौन से ऑर्गेनिजम्स हैं जहां एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन प्रेजेंट होता है? सो बच्चों, दिस एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन मोस्टली प्रेजेंट इन स्मॉल ऑर्गेनिज्म, मोस्टली प्रेजेंट इन यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. अब बायोलॉजी में क्वेश्चन छे क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म? कैच द वर्ड. द वर्ड यूनि इट मीन सिंगल. The word cellular it means cell, a type of organism in which single cell is present. नेचर में वो सारे ऑर्गेनिज्म जिनकी बॉडी में एक ही सेल होती है, such organisms are known as what? Unicellular organism. The best example, bacteria, yeast. Yeast is a fungi, unicellular fungi. Amoeba, paramecium, euglena, mostly protozoan. So in all these living organism which reproduction is present? Asexual reproduction. In smaller organism, जितने भी छोटे organism हैं, और भी example हो सकते हैं. For example, hydra. It's a small animal that present in water. So बच्चों, we have completed how many important point regarding to asexual reproduction? 4 point. Number 1, single parent is involved in this reproduction. Number 2, no gamete formation. Number 3, absence of meiosis. Number 4, present in small organism. कुछ और point है? Now let's discuss. Let's begin. So student, we will start some new point regarding to asexual reproduction. So बच्चों, number 5th point. This reproduction, it is very fast process. It is very fast process. Why fast? Because only single parent is involved. एक ही parent होता है. That's why. On the other hand, the sexual reproduction, आगे पढ़ाऊंगा मैं. The sexual reproduction, it is slow process. 2 parents are involved. I am giving the example how it is fast. Mostly bacteria divides and reproduce within 24 hours. Within 24 hours. and some bacteria divides within 20 minutes. You can imagine. So बच्चों, that is the fifth point. Number sixth point, that is very very important. Single parent produce offspring. अगली पीढ़ी बनाता है नेक्स्ट जनरेशन, and this offspring it is similar to its parent. अपने पेरेंट्स के सिमिलर होती है ये, and such a offspring very very important, it is known as clone. So बच्चों, now we will start the fifth point regarding to asexual reproduction. बच्चों, I have told you in asexual reproduction only single parent is involved. एक ही पेरेंट अपनी ऑफस्प्रिंग बना लेता है, नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को प्रोड्यूस करता है. दैट्स व्हाई दिस रिप्रोडक्शन इट इज वेरी फास्ट प्रोसेस. ये काफी जल्दी होती है, वेरी फास्ट. द बेस्ट एग्जांपल, बैक्टीरिया इन द नेचर डिवाइड्स रिप्रोड्यूस विद इन 24 आवर. एक दिन के अंदर बैक्टीरिया अपने आप को डिवाइड कर लेते हैं, रिप्रोड्यूस कर लेते हैं. And a shocking statement, some bacteria in nature divides within only 20 minutes. So can you imagine that asexual reproduction is a very very fast process. No gamete formation, no meiosis cell division. The single parent produce their offspring or next generation. So that is the fifth point. Just opposite, the sexual reproduction. In plants, in animals, in our body, humans में, which reproduction sexual, it is very slow process. इसमें time लगता है. Two parents are involved, gametes are produced, fertilization, production of offspring. The best example, in human body, the reproduction process takes place the 9 month. You know, in human body, the development of fetus, the development of new offspring, it will take the 9 month. So we can say that asexual very fast process and sexual reproduction it is very very slow process. Now the sixth point, it's a very very important process. In this asexual reproduction the single parent is involved. एक ही parent होता है. That's why the offspring, the next generation जो अगली पीढ़ी बनती है, this offspring it is very very similar to its parent. बनने वाली ऑफस्प्रिंग अपने पेरेंट के सिमिलर होती है, एंड सच ए ऑफस्प्रिंग इट इज नोन एज व्हाट? क्लोन. व्हाट इज द प्रोनाउंसिएशन? क्लोन. आपने नाम सुना होगा. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ क्लोन? क्लोन इज ए ऑफस्प्रिंग दैट इज सिमिलर टू इट्स पेरेंट दैट प्रेजेंट इन व्हाट टाइप ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन? एसेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. सो बच्चों, वी हैव कंप्लीटेड 6 पॉइंट रिगार्डिंग टू asexual reproduction. बायोलॉजी में क्वेश्चन से क्वेश्चन कि सर asexual reproduction में क्लोन कैसे बनते हैं, क्यों ये ऑफस्प्रिंग अपने पेरेंट के सिमिलर होती है, हूबहू होती है. सो लेट्स सी. So we will elaborate that why offspring are similar to its parent in asexual reproduction. कि asexual reproduction में offspring अपने parents के similar क्यों होती है. पुराना बेसिक लगेगा इसमें. सिंगल पेरेंट, एक ही पेरेंट है, and single parent कोई भी लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म it always contain the DNA. ये पढ़ा चुका हूँ क्लास 11th में. DNA that is genetic material. DNA is present. कहाँ present होता है? DNA is present in the cell. The full form of DNA आपने पढ़ा होगा छोटी क्लासेस में, दैट इज डीऑक्सी राइबोज न्यूक्लिक एसिड. And this DNA, it will transfer from, कहाँ ट्रांसफर होता है डीएनए? फ्रॉम पेरेंट टू ऑफस्प्रिंग. और ट्रांसफर होकर डीएनए क्या बनाता है? द डीएनए प्रोड्यूस कैरेक्टर. डीएनए प्रोड्यूस कैरेक्टर. So बच्चों, let's see. Now question is that कि sir, why offspring are similar in asexual reproduction? First of all, we will study some basic. In smaller classes, you have studied about the DNA. It's a material. What is the full form? Deoxyribose nucleic acid. And these DNA are the example of which material? Genetic material. Now what is genetic material? Let's see. If I am asking you, in nature, different type of organism that contain different type of body character. हर organisms के अंदर body character अलग अलग है. The best example, human body. The color of skin, the color of eyes, the color of hair, our height. These are the character of the body of human. Now question is that how can we get these character? ये जो बॉडी की कैरेक्टर है हमें कहाँ से मिलते हैं? सो बच्चों, these character we can get from parents. पेरेंट्स से मिलते हैं. Some character transfer from father and some characters are transfer from mother. आपने सुना होगा when a baby is born, so mostly family members always talk कि इस बच्चे की आंखें बिल्कुल अपने पापा पे गई है, इस बच्चे का फेस बिल्कुल अपनी मम्मी पे गया है. So we can say that characters always transfer from one generation to next generation. Characters always transfer from parents to offspring. Parents से बच्चों में जाते हैं. The question is that how the characters are transfer? ये character कैसे transfer होते हैं? With the help of a material. And which material? Genetic material. With the help of which substance? DNA. We have studied in class 11th or 10th. DNA is a specific substance that present inside the cell. That is the example of genetic material, and that DNA is transferred from parents to the offspring. Parents से बच्चों में. और DNA responsible है क्या बनाने के लिए? Character. So बच्चों, that is only the basic. अब दिमाग लगाओ. In asexual reproduction, I've told you how many parent is involved? Single parent. एक ही parent होता है. तो सिंगल पेरेंट कंटेन कितना डीएनए होगा? तो सिंगल पेरेंट कंटेन द सिंगल डीएनए. सिंगल डीएनए इज ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम पेरेंट टू ऑफस्प्रिंग. एक ही डीएनए ट्रांसफर करेगा. तो ऑफस्प्रिंग में जो कैरेक्टर आएंगे वो कैरेक्टर क्या होंगे? सेम होंगे या डिफरेंट होंगे? सेम कैरेक्टर, एक ही डीएनए है. दैट्स व्हाई इन द ऑफस्प्रिंग द सिमिलर कैरेक्टर्स आर प्रोड्यूस. सेम कैरेक्टर आर प्रोड्यूस. And that offspring, it is similar. किसके similar होती है? That is similar to the parent. और इसी offspring को क्या बोला जाता है? Very very important for board of examination. This offspring, it is known as what? Clone. What is the pronunciation? Clone. So बच्चों, that is the reason why clone are produced in asexual reproduction. Understood? आगे मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा. Excuse me. In sexual reproduction, how many parent? Two, male and female. So how many DNA? Two DNA, male DNA and female DNA. That's why in sexual reproduction, humans में, plants में, animals में new character are produced. हमारे अंदर कुछ नए character बनते हैं because in our body sexual reproduction is present. Half DNA पापा का, half DNA mother का. Both the DNA are combined. That's why in sexual reproduction new characters are produced. हम आगे बात करेंगे. But in asexual reproduction, single parent, single DNA, the same character, and offspring is similar to parent, and such a offspring it is known as what? The clone. So बच्चों, we have completed the definition of asexual reproduction, and we have completed the 6 important point regarding to it. Now बच्चों, the complete definition, clone की definition क्या होगी? Let's see. So बच्चों, now we will start. What is the definition of clone? What is the definition of clone? Exact definition. So clone is an offspring that is genetically and morphological, genetically and morphologically similar. It's a bookish language, similar to its parent. This is the complete definition. अब definition कैसे पढ़ी है? Genetically, this word represent genes. It means same genes are present. अब gene क्या होते हैं? We have studied in class 11th. Gene are small part of DNA. Small part of DNA. और genes की body में क्या बनाते हैं? The genes produce what? The character. Morphologically, the word morphologically, it means body character, the same body. So बच्चों, what is the complete, exact, the bookish language? What is the definition of clone? The clone is a offspring that produced in asexual reproduction, that is genetically and morphologically similar to its parent. किसलिए तो bookish language है, हमें कैसे समझ आएगा? So let's see. The word genetically, it represents what? Genes. Now what are genes? I told you in class 11th, genes are smallest particle of DNA. DNA के छोटे छोटे particles होते हैं, and these particles transfer from one generation to next generation, and these genes particle are responsible for the production of what? Character. किसी भी animals में, plants में जितने भी character हैं, all the body character, ये सारे character कौन बनाता है? Genes बनाता है. So gene are the smallest particle of DNA that transfer from parents to offspring. अब दिमाग लगाओ, in asexual reproduction, single parent, single DNA, एक ही DNA है. That's why all the genes are similar. Offspring के अंदर जितनी भी genes आएंगी वो same होगी, similar होगी. That's why genetically similar. The second point, morphologically. अब genes ही same जाएगी, same gene is transfer, तो बनने वाले जो body character है offspring में वो नए बनेंगे या same बनेंगे? The same body character. और body character को क्या बोलते हैं? Morphologically. So बच्चों, we have completed clone is an offspring that is genetically same gene, morphologically that is same body character that produced in asexual reproduction. So बच्चों, here we have completed complete asexual reproduction, the definition, the 6 important point, and very important regarding to board of examination, what is the definition of clone. So bachcho, we have started the first chapter in this class, the class 12th, and what is the name of the chapter? Reproduction in organism. In next lecture, in next video, we will start the how many types of asexual reproduction are present in the nature. Asexual reproduction के कौन से type है? Bacteria, yeast, in hydra, in planaria, we will start that. So till then, stay at your home, be safe, always wear mask because that corona disease is spreading very fast. Thank you, student.